Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mohd Iqbal Shah, Pirzada, teacher in Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarthpura. Today my topic is related with environmental science of class 11th. Concept of species. Concept of species is related with population ecology. Yesterday I told you about population and ecology. Today I will explain some hotspots about species and its main concepts. What are the main concepts of species? Dear students, firstly I will tell you that species, to whom we call species. Species is a group of living organisms. Species is a group of living organisms having similar characteristics to interbreed. They produce offspring by sexual reproduction, and species is considered as principal natural taxonomic unit in biology. I will explain it. Species is defined as a group of living organisms having similar characteristics to interbreed, exchange genes to produce fertile offspring by sexual reproduction, and to produce fertile offspring. Species is considered as the principal natural taxonomic unit in biology. There are four important concepts of species. Every ecologist defines species in their own way, but four main types of species has been here nominated. Firstly, I will tell you it is first concept is typological species concept. This typological species concept is based on morphology and physical nature of the body. So far as morphology is considered, it has this concept of species says that these living organisms, have some special features. This type of concept of species it is based on morphology and phenotype. The group members share certain characteristics that distinguishes them from other species. They have their unique characteristics. They have some special identities. They have some unique characters which differentiates them, which distinguishes them from other species. Aristotle and Plato stated that this concept in their philosophies. Kane, an ecologist, regarded this concept as the morphospecies differs others on physical features. Morphospecies concept defines that species can be differentiated from other species by their physical features. And second one is nominalistic species concepts. Nominalistic species concept was defined by Occam, an ecologist, said at that very time that nature produces only individuals, but species are man's own creation. Nature produces only individuals. It's a function of the nature which produces individuals, but nature cannot produce species. Species is a man's own creation and they have no definite existence in nature. Species invented, number of individuals collected. The concept was given by Occam and his followers who believed that nature produces individuals only. Species are man's own creation and they have no definite existence in nature. It is a mental concept where species have been invented and great number of individuals has been collected. Third one is biological species concept. It is also called never. It is new type of species concept. It is also called a never species concept. K. Jordan first formulated this concept in 1905. The concept defines that a species is a group of interbreeding natural population that is reproductively isolated from other groups. Species shows following properties by Mayur. Mayur was also an ecologist. Mayur said that reproductive community, for the purpose of reproduction, the individuals of the species recognize each other as potential mates. They recognize each other as potential mates. Ecological unit. It has reproductive community, and ecological unit says that species members differ from each other due to many attributes, but all the members cooperate, form a unit. They interact with other species as a unit in an environment. Ecological unit says species differs from each other due to many attributes, but all the members cooperate to form a unit. They interact with other species as a unit in an environment. Genetic species consists large intercommunicating gene pool, although the individual is simply a non-permanent vessel holding a small part of the contents of the gene pool for short period of time. Last but not least is evolutionary species concept. This evolutionary species concept, the flow of biological species concept had the paleontologists to formulate evolutionary species concept. And evolutionary is a single lineage of ancestor descendantal population of organisms which maintains its identity from lineage. Evolutionary species concept is a single lineage of ancestor descendant population of organisms maintains its identity. Wiley 1978 stated that the lineage of ancestor and descendant population draws its identity and historical fate. The evolutionary concept is a single lineage of ancestral descendant population of organisms which maintains its identity from other lineage. Simpson 1961. Simpson was also an ecologist. 1916. Simpson says has defined evolutionary species lineage ancestor descendant sequence of population. Evolutionary separately from other and with its own unitary evolutionary role and tendencies. It is a link between ancestral descendant sequence of population. Wama arena ilal balagul mubin. Okay, my dear students, hope for your positive sympathy and a response. If there is any error and omission, kindly inform me. Okay, may God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.